Welcome to English Guidance Class. I'm Maria, and I'm so glad to have you here. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your English listening and speaking skills, you've come to the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss a new lesson. Hello, my beautiful friends. Today, we're going to do something a little different. Are you ready? A day in my life. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. The first thing I do is stretch and smile. A new day has started. I go to the kitchen and make a cup of tea. While I drink my tea, I check my messages and look outside the window. The sky is blue and the sun is shining. It's a beautiful morning. After that, I take a quick shower and get dressed. I usually wear something comfortable. Then I sit down at my desk and start my work. I work from home, so my desk is very important. I turn on my computer, check my emails, and make a to-do list. I love making lists. They help me stay organized. At 12:30 p.m., I take a break for lunch. Today, I made a delicious sandwich with cheese and vegetables. I also have some fresh fruit. In the afternoon, I record a new podcast episode, just like this one. I love talking to you and helping you learn English. It's the best part of my day. Later, I take a short walk in the park near my house. I listen to music or a podcast while I walk. Walking helps me relax and get fresh air. In the evening, I cook dinner. Tonight, I'm making pasta with tomato sauce. It smells so good. After dinner, I like to read a book or watch a show on TV. Around 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and say good night to the day. Before I sleep, I say something I'm thankful for. Today, I'm thankful for you, my listener. And that's a day in my life. What about you? What does your day look like? Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. See you next time. And remember, keep practicing and keep smiling.